Bought these from B&M. This is £2. Really nice shape. It's long, perfect for coriander. Got these. I think these are £1.50. Yes, look really nice. But I bought it for, this is a storage, you can keep it in storage, but I bought it for my fridge. It's white, that's why I bought it, like it's going to be look nice. So I bought these two, and these are really nice. Good bargain. £3 only. For in pound shop they are one for £1. And but I really liked it. And this one, I really like this one. It's nice as well. So I bought these. Look at my kitchen. Allah goshuna. Good luck to me. Look at my kitchen. It's everywhere. I'm cleaning my fridge. It looks clean, but it's actually not. So I need to clean it. I need to deep clean. So all those side things, I just soak it with washing liquid and hot water. So let's see. Amina's peri spice is, you always find this sauce in my fridge now these days because it's super good. If you are tall like me, guess too. My Zena is too good. Thank you, Zena, for helping mommy all the time. So good. I didn't even tell Zena to clean those and dusting those. She's such a clever girl, Zena. Well done. Such a good girl. Thank you, baby.